Well, here we go again, friends and followers, with the Tentec Hercules 444 amplifier. I've not given up yet. This is the left-hand board that doesn't work. So when I first fired this thing up today, I saw a spark. I had it sitting in there and I saw something spark over here and I thought, oh boy. And here I find this wire right here wasn't soldered in very well and I found it loose. So was that my spark? I don't know. I just figured these two new MRF 428s blew up, but maybe they didn't. So I saw a spark, but I didn't give up. I just thought, well, so I've had this thing in the radio once and it didn't go. I couldn't get this amp to go. So I've been looking for more problems in this thing. I saw that these are toasted, and I think that I toasted these because I was throwing in too much drive from the radio and it didn't kick out with an overdrive condition. So that might have been what caused that harm. I did also find an error over here on the bias supply. So this board will supply bias to the middle pin as bias over to the base of these guys here, and I found that there was a pin 10 on this. Pin 10 was lifted for some reason. I just couldn't figure out why. But anyway, this last pin here wasn't connected, so I pushed that pin back into the circuit board and got it connected. So you can see that the last pin here is good to go. Is that pin 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This makes sense. There's pin 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can't even count here. Jeez. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's pin 14. What did pin 14 do with that board? That sounds like a power pin or something. Pin 14 was always power. All these chips. Let's see what that did. Pin 14. I don't see a 14 on here yet. Pin 14, where are you? Maybe it didn't matter. I still, unless that's 14, it's a minus pin. I'm not sure if it's pin 4, 14, 13, 6. They don't label things here real nice. What about this chip? 13. Maybe it didn't do anything. That's why it was left off. I don't know. Anyway, I got that working again, and we'll see. I still think this bias may not be working right. I'll switch it over to see if the amp will work. Anyway, this wire being off is promising. We'll see if this thing comes back to life. All right, I'm going to put it back in the amplifier and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.